What's up, everybody? It's your girl Passion Monet. I'm back again with another video, and today I'm gonna bring you some mermaid inspired nails. I don't know why, y'all, but it's been on my mind, so I had to bring it to life, y'all. So right now I'm just going in and I'm just gluing on my extra pointy stiletto nail tips. I got these off of Amazon. I'll link them down in the description box below. And I'm gonna go in and just file these so they'll blend better with my nail, and they can be more, just a more easy application when I add in the acrylic and everything. So I'm just gonna file those down. And after I get through filing those down, I'm going to go in with my Model 1's Nail Prep Dehydrator. And that dehydrator is just going to take off the oil or whatever may be on my nail bed. So it'll be no lifting once I apply the acrylic and everything. And I only did one coat of that. And right now I'm showing you the custom colored glitter acrylic that I made. I just mixed up all of the pretty glitters that I had with some crystal clear acrylic and some magic white pigment powder, and it's just, look at that color, y'all. Look how cute it came out. It's just like blow bling. Like, yes, it reminds me of unicorns and birthday cake icing and mermaids and just everything. I love it. So I'm just applying that to the whole thumbnail, and then I'm going to encapsulate it with some clear acrylic. Oh yes, and I forgot to tell you all, the brush that I'm using is my Pana Kalinsky brush. I got that off of Amazon. I believe it's in a size 8 or either a size 10, but I want to say it's an 8. But I'll link it in the description box below, as well as all the other products I'm using. I'm just making sure I'm getting every part of the nail, all the nooks and crannies and crevices. And I'm going to encapsulate that. Now I'm gonna show y'all, this is some nail foil that I saw, and it was just so cute. It was like an ombre but holographic at the same time, and I'm like, this will be perfect with these nails. So here it is right here. I'm just cutting it out to the shape of the well, however much I need. But first I wanted to go down on each nail and do a clear base for each nail. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, just adding a thin layer of clear acrylic. And when I was doing this part, the acrylic was drying so fast, like as soon as I put it on the nail. And I had wet beads, so wet beads usually give you enough time to just work with it. But this, it was drying so fast. I made it work though, but still, it's the principle of it, you know? Okay, so now I didn't have any foil glue, so I just used this nail glue. And I'm just going to take the nail foil and press it down onto the nail and holding it down as much as possible. Just holding it down. Now when I took this off, it didn't even transfer to the whole nail, but it's okay. I went in with some of that glitter acrylic and I just slid it down the nail, made it look like a kind of ombre type. And it came out cute, and I'm just gonna encapsulate that as well with some clear. Now I'm gonna do my middle finger, and I just alternated with the purple glitter, dipping it in the acrylic, and then I went with the silver, dipped it in the acrylic. Just went back and forth like a little marble effect with the glitter. Now initially I wanted this to be the mermaid tail nail, but I ended up changing up that design in the end, but you'll see later on in the video. For the pointer finger, I'm gonna go in with this like fuchsia glittery color that I made, and I'm just gonna do an ombre effect. I'm gonna do that other glitter at the bottom. And then I'm gonna encapsulate that once I get it to how I like it. Then after this, I'm going to go in with my E-file and just file down the nails and shape them to how I want them to be. I wanted to do that before I got to the pinky nail. I don't know why. I should have just did them all at the same time, but I shaped those up. And I didn't have to do much because it was already to my liking as far as the point of the nail and everything. So now I'm just fixing up this pinky nail. I didn't know what design I wanted to do on this, so I just added all the acrylics together. Now this is what I was talking about when I said I wanted to do the mermaid nail. So right now I was hand painting on the like mermaid scales. I was hand painting those on. And I was gonna have like the purple and the silver glitter show through the scales. But I don't know. I just switched it up at the end. I didn't like it once I put the top coat on and everything. So I ended up switching it up and adding rhinestones inside the scales. But you'll see later on in the video. But I wanted to keep this part on just so I could show you how everything started out. Now I'm going to go in with some gel top coat. This one was from my Verano Polygel kit, but you can use any gel top coat to cover the nails. And without curing, I went and put on my bling. So here I am. I'm putting on the bling. I didn't know what design or pattern I wanted to do with the bling. I just know I wanted to add colored crystals, so I added like the bluish, it's like a bluish purple crystal. I added clear, I added iridescence. Then there was another one that was like green and pink. I added that one too. I just wanted it to be extra blingy, just to make it really, really pop. So I added those on. Then on the scale nail, I ended up adding rhinestones inside of the little open parts of the scales. It came out really cute. Like, I don't know, I wasn't expecting it to be as intricate with the bling as it was, but I made it work, y'all. Y'all know it. And I'm just curing that again for 2 minutes, and this is how it came out, y'all. So cute, so cute. And this is how it looks like in natural lighting right here. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see more videos in the future. Let me know in the comments what other kind of videos you want to see, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.